Hello everybody! Today we're going to unbox and take a close-up look at the Joseph Connect adjustable dish rack. So let's first take a look around the outside of the box. So in this box is a Joseph Connect adjustable 3-piece dish rack. And taking a look around the box packaging. And at the back or bottom, there's some product information for this Joseph Connect adjustable 3-piece dish rack. And taking a close-up look at the list of features for this dish rack, listed in various languages. And this dish rack is in grey. It's also available in white. And now let's go ahead and open it up by pulling out the box tab and lifting up the box flap to reveal the contents inside. Let's slide the contents out from the box packaging and set them on the tabletop and checking through to make sure nothing else is left in the box packaging. Let's close it back up and set it to the side. Let's set it on the right hand side of the table. And giving you a look at the contents from the box packaging in its original packaging right there. Let's slide them out from its clear recyclable plastic bag, and of course making sure that we put the clear plastic bag safely aside and reuse or recycle it, and keeping it away from babies, children and animals. And just giving you another look right now with the contents removed from the clear plastic packaging. And just setting them on the tabletop once again, making some space so you have a clear and unobstructed view. Okay, so let's continue by removing this plastic bag from what appears to be the utensil holder or caddy. And once again, recycling that bag or reusing it. And giving you a look inside. Let's tip the contents out. And once again, setting the contents across the tabletop for this Joseph Connect adjustable dish rack. Okay, so those are the contents from the box packaging. Let's first start off by taking a look at this little paper booklet here. And let's fold it out. So there's some basic assembly required. So giving you a look at the front and back. So details only shown on the front for the assembly of this Joseph Connect adjustable 3-piece dish rack. So right there, 3 steps to assemble the dish rack. So setting that instruction booklet down on the left hand side of the frame so it doesn't get in the way, and separating the tiers of the adjustable dish rack so we can see right here the grey and charcoal tiers. So right there, the charcoal or dark grey, nearly black layer, and the other layer, the grey or slightly paler hue of grey on the top tier. And of course we do have the utensil holder or cutlery holder. So giving you some looks, and they're all made from plastic and are BPA free. And of course there are the feet or legs for the light grey upper tier or level, and they do have slip resistant bottoms as well. And just to give you some size or sense of size of this dish rack, placing my hand over the larger bottom tier and of course the upper level as well. Okay, so let's go ahead and assemble the dish rack, and we do that by, of course, popping the two legs into the upper level. So giving you a look at the two legs or feet. Let's snap them in place. So making sure that we pop them in, and you can hear that click right there. And just giving you that close-up look as well. And once again, doing the same thing, making sure that it clicks into place and no gaps are showing between the joints right there. Okay, so now we have the top layer, and taking a look at the bottom layer. So the bottom layer has the Joseph branding, and of course the draining spout or downspout for any water or liquids to drain and funnel through that spout. So giving you a look around, and of course at the bottom as well. So we can see that it is raised with feet, and they do have those slip resistant or anti-slip, non-slip pads at the bottom. So giving you a look right there, top down, and the spikes or pins across its surface. And just to give you some idea once again as to the construction, from BPA-free plastic, and giving you some sense of the stiffness or rigidity of this design. So that's the bottom layer. And of course we have the top tier as well, right there in a lighter shade of grey. And you can see the spikes or pins once again for organizing and holding your dishes up. And of course the two legs that we plugged or inserted into the holes. And once again giving you some sense of the overall construction and rigidity or robustness of this design. Okay, so very simply we can stack and adjust the dish rack in whichever manner we please. So just giving you a look right there, having an adjustable and modular design. You can see that the pegs or spikes do line up according to your requirements, and they do stay nicely in place. So that is the maximum setup at the furthest points. And of course we do have the cutlery holder or utensil holder, and it does have a rather rigid design. Once again, BPA free plastic, and they do have those holes all lined up to organize and set up your dishes with this Joseph Connect adjustable dish rack. So right there, giving you a look to its design, and you can see just pressing down on it, it stays nicely in place and doesn't flex at all. You can see it does have a nice and sturdy design, and of course the centralized draining spout or downspout for any dishwater to drain out from. And of course, you can see how modular and adjustable this design is. You can set it up to whichever orientation, and even something which is quite unconventional. And of course, with the cutlery holder, it can be positioned in a variety of locations, so giving you a look right there. And taking it apart as well, very simply lifting the layers apart and placing them back down again. So giving you a look right there. The side profile, and of course underside if I can without causing too much of any kind of fright. So you can see just how adjustable and modular this design is. So there, at the maximum setup in terms of space. And let's close it back down if we can. Set it at its smallest position. So just looking at the spikes and lining them up. And right there at the smallest position. And you can see just how easy it is to reposition and readjust this dish rack. So, giving you a look once again at the endless possibilities in terms of orientating your dish rack. So having plenty of fun here with the almost endless possibilities of setting this dish rack up. And of course, something to bear in mind as well is the upper tier does have, of course, a draining spout as well, or at least a draining hole. So you have to be mindful of that when it comes to orientating or setting up the upper tier and positioning it so water does flow where you intend it to go. And let's go for one final setup at the maximum setting. So that's the Joseph Connect adjustable dish rack. Thanks for watching and happy drawing!